Here's how to import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store using Loox. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you are all doing great and I will show you exactly that. In just a second, I just need to say that there are going to be other methods to do it, but for this video, I'll show you how to use Loox for this process. Now there are going to be other apps to use, but this is the one that I will be showcasing today. So let's actually get started and jump into the video or get to the video. So the first thing obviously is going to be importing your products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. And you need to save the page of the product, the original product from AliExpress, because we will use this page in order to actually import the reviews from it. So this is basically step one. So importing the products. Make sure the second thing is make sure the products do have some reviews, because you can't really import reviews from a product that does not have reviews. So once you have that done and set, we will just go to Shopify dashboard here, and we will need to go to apps and then go to the app store. So if we just go to all recommended apps and then scroll down and click on Shopify app store, we should be in here. So in here, you just simply look up Loox, that is Loox, and you just hit enter and you should find Loox product reviews app. Now, I'm sorry I didn't mention that earlier, but it is a paid app. I should have said that from the beginning. It is a paid app with 3 different pricing points or plans, and it does include a 14-day free trial. So you can try it for free for 14 days, or if you are using a trial Shopify store, it's going to be free forever. So you can try things out and see if it's matching your desires. If so, then you can upgrade and actually use it for the beginner plan, scale plan, or unlimited plan. It's going to be completely up to you. So let's just say we will obviously use the free trial for this video, but we just go ahead and click on install either way. So we just need to install the application. So let me just close out of that and close out of this because we don't need them. And we go ahead and install the app. So again, remember, after this is going to be after you import products from AliExpress, and make sure that they do actually have reviews within them, because we need the reviews. So after it is installed, it will show you the thing that I have just said, because if you are using a Shopify trial or whatever, you can use it for free, and then you can upgrade and stuff. So let's just use Loox for free, and then we need to set things up. So we just click on continue. And in this case, if you're just signing up for the 14-day trial, you will need to fill in some information, and then you can obviously cancel at any time, so you can upgrade later on or not. If it's completely up to you basically. So let's get into it. So add Loox to your theme. To get started, enable the Loox core script on your Shopify theme. So let's simply follow the steps on this video right here. So we just go ahead and enable it. It's very easy. So we just click on this button right here, and we go ahead and actually enable it. And if you don't find it, you just go to your theme customization tab. So if you don't find this button right here, you go ahead to your theme customization tab, any theme, and then you go to app embeds. And if you don't find it, you can just search Loox, and you should find this one right here. So you just make sure it's turned on, and then you just go ahead and click save. By the way, if it's off, and don't panic if you don't see it, because look, it's completely white, and the background is also white. So make sure it's turned on. You just click on the right of it and you should find a button. So we just click on save. And once it says changes saved, we close out of this window and go back to this page right here. Now it does say failed and click to try again because I turned it off and turned it back on just to show you guys that it should work. So I just click on continue, it should work. And then we add the product reviews widget to our store. So basically we just click on this button, and again we just follow these steps on the video. So click on the button below, place the widget where you would like it to appear, and then click on save. So we just go ahead and click on this. It's very easy to set up, by the way. It's not going to be too complicated. And yeah, so for example, for this, where do you where do we want to have it? Mainly we just leave it below the product, but you can obviously move it wherever you want to have it. Again, you can just hover over here and then move it wherever you want. So we can just click on save now. I don't want to change where it is, so this is why I didn't make any changes, but if you do, feel free to do so. It's a section that you can just adjust the place of. And then we just go ahead and click on continue again, and then we add the rating widget to our store. Again, just click on this and it's simply going to do the work for you. You just need to save stuff, and if you want to have any adjustments, you can do so right now, and if not, you can also feel free to do it later on. So this one right here, you saw it a second ago, this one right here. So we just click on save. Again, if you want to adjust now or later, it doesn't really matter, as long as you just get back to your store customization page and you should find it. And now we can just go exit out of this and click on continue. So we just, I believe we did add it. It does say skip, but I think it's a bug because we did add it to my belief. So we can just skip because it's already there. And then you should select the language. It's just going to be in English. And then here, if you want to have any brand colors and styling, you can change it over here. And again, you can also change it later on. It doesn't necessarily have to be now. I would like to, or prefer to have them like this. And you just click on continue. And then here, when should we ask for reviews? And then you can, adjust the thing. So 14 days after the review, or basically it's just going to be up to you, like when do you want this to happen. So let me just again keep it this way, and click on continue. And then if you want to offer a discount and stuff for submitting photo and video reviews, I believe this is has to do with encourage customers to show off their new purchase and return to make another one. So this is like a call to action thing that you can add, and you can pick whichever one, I believe, and just click on continue, and then again continue. Here you can set up the discount amount and the minimum purchase amount for it and that kind of stuff. Just skip all of those things because they are not really what we are here for, right? So refers to widget, nope. Let me just keep that off because again, this is not what we are here for. And then let's just do a friend. Okay, so now that we have finished the setup, we are ready to import reviews. So we just go ahead and click on import now, or if you don't see that, you can just again click on the app where we can just click on reviews. And here we can obviously import reviews by clicking on this button right here. Now, what we need to do is very simply drag and drop this to our bookmarks bar. And if you don't see your bookmarks bar on your Google Chrome, you can just click on here and go to bookmarks and lists, and just click on show bookmarks bar, where we can just drag and drop it over here. Okay, and then we are done. So it's very simple. After you finish this setup, it's like importing the actual reviews is very simple. You just go ahead and click on any product, or not any product, the products that you have on your Shopify store from Aliexpress. So you go to Aliexpress and click on them. Okay, and once you are on their page, you just go ahead and click import to Loox. So once you do that, it's going to give you a few things that you need to set up. The first thing is going to be actually finding the product that you have imported. So it's going to give you the list of products that you have on your Shopify store. And obviously you want the reviews for the actual product. So again, this product you will need to have in your Shopify store. You should obviously have it imported to your Shopify store before you get the reviews, obviously. So again, we click on it and then we just assign it to the actual product. I don't have it, it's just going to be for tutorial sake, but let's just say this is the same product. So we just choose it and then choose how many reviews that we want to scan. Let's just scan 20 because it's going to be a manual process. And then ratings, let's do 4 stars and up. And I suggest that you keep it 4 stars and up. If everything is 5 stars, it's just going to be a little bit not so trustworthy. Reviews from, if you want to have a specific country, you can do that, but I prefer all countries and translate to English. Okay, so this way, even if the languages are not clear because it's a different language from a different country, it's going to automatically translate to English. And then we just check fetch most recent reviews. And if you want only reads with photos, you can have that, but I just keep this unchecked. And then if you want to import variant information and stuff, you can do that as well. So we just go ahead and preview and import once we are done. And then we actually reject or import the basically the reviews. So like I said, it's going to be a manual process a little bit. So let's just import as many as we can. And again, you can also reject. Let's import this one. Let's reject this one for some reason. Import, reject. But you can just keep going until you click on finish importing or it's actually completed. So now it should be done. We should be good to go and we can find it in our online store. I believe we did the product, the red product. Let's actually go check it out. If we go here, click on red. And yeah, you can see the reviews are already in there. So you can see the overall reviews and you can see the reviews from the people and images and all of those things. Now, that's pretty much it. Again, the sign up process or the setup process, there are some things that you will need to keep in mind for the whole discounting and stuff. But other than that, it's very simple. You just go to any product from AliExpress and click on this icon right here, the new bookmark tab, and it should work. It's very easy and simple, and I hope you liked this video. So thanks for watching.